Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly, and in today's video, I am doing a BOXY CHARM try-on and unboxing. That's how I got this makeup look I have. And so I give you a little bit of a life update, and I am starting to film again every week, so that's super exciting. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love doing BOXY CHARM try-ons and like unboxing. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep watching. So this is my BOXY CHARM. Hello, Charmer. Hello. And then this is the inside of it. Yeah, this one is called Vacation. So the first thing that I'm going to be talking about today is this blush. And I don't know if you guys can like tell, but this blush looks like an eyeshadow. It is fluorescent pink. I do like the packaging a lot. It's called Make Them Blush. It is by Pretty Vulgar. Like, can you see this? Like, look at this. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. I'm a little bit even nervous to put it on my face. I guess we're gonna try it out. And don't mind my hair. I'm letting it air dry. So it looks crazy right now. Trying to put this hot pink blush on my face right now. Putting it in there. Tapping it off. Yeah, no. This is crazy. Oh my god, it's too much. No, 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 I do not like this. I like peachy blushes. No, thank you. Okay, so the next thing I got is this South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. I don't really use a lot of stuff like this because my skin is super duper 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 sensitive. We're not off to the greatest start, but it's okay, we'll just keep going. So the next thing that we got is by the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. I do feel like there's a conspiracy going on here. When I first started BOXY CHARM, like I love them, and I was getting like a bunch of really good high-end like well-known brand stuff, and I feel like slowly and slowly like I started getting less and less name brand stuff, and I don't know if it's because I've been with them for like almost a year now. I just feel like they're not treating me like they did when we first got together, and it just hurts my feelings. I cannot get this open, oh my god. Ooh. So I don't really have a lot of precision brushes. I need to like work on like, oh, I have concealer in my eyes. There's a phone ringing somewhere. Oh my god. I am getting so distracted right now. It's like, snap out of it. The next thing I got is this Per Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is pretty. So now I'm gonna do an eye makeup look for you guys. I'm gonna take my just Kylie Cosmetics brush. I'm just gonna start out with the color Perfect. And Perfect. Oh, see what they did there? And I'm just gonna put this all over my lid to set it because I already put concealer on it. You know what? Actually, I think I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hold on. While I'm setting my eyes, I want to talk to you guys about why I've been so like MIA, or like just kind of like life updates. So I moved from Michigan to Texas. It was a really big move for us, me and my husband, and the place that we moved into really needed like a lot of renovation. So we've just been renovating. And also in January, I started my first semester of college. So yeah, it's been insane. I've been just like really trying to focus on school. I'm settled in and it's spring break, and I'm like, okay, I can breathe, I can start videos again, but I miss YouTube so much, and so I'm just like trying to get back in the swing of things because I love doing this. I'm gonna take the color Naked now. I'm just going to put that in my crease. Midterms are next week though, so we shall see. And my sister is flying in from Oregon. Oh my god, I can't even wait. Guess what's new with me? What's new with you guys? Go on, tell me. I'm gonna take Belly. It's definitely not Belly. Okay, now I'm putting this in my crease. I said that I was putting the other one in my crease, but the other one was actually going above my, like all over actually. I'm going in with BFF. Well, I'm gonna use this one, step 2, for the shadow. Well, step 1, for the money. Step 1 says for the money. Step 2 says for the shadow, and step 3 says go girl go. I don't really know what those steps mean, to be honest. Confusing. Just dipping into BFF. And I'm just gonna like put this on my lid. Oops. And then like, I do not like this brush. The pigmentation is really good on this. I like it. I feel like it's super buildable and blendable. Go in with Belle again. And I'm just gonna put this in above my crease, just to like add some more color to this instead of just pink. The pink kind of overpowered everything. I'm just gonna like put some Shape Tape on there. I'm not doing like a cut crease or anything. Yeah, I'm gonna take Alt and I'm just going to dip my brush in there and then put that all over. I'm going to take Bay and put that in the middle. Just like right there. So I got the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. It says 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. That's a very bold statement. Oh, of course. I'm gonna let that dry. I'm going to put on lashes and I'm going to put on some eyeliner and I'll be right back. So I am back. This is the finished look. Well, it kind of turned out like my Valentine's Day look. I didn't even realize that. Sorry about that. I am not very happy about this BOXY charm, so hopefully next month is better, but this one was definitely like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe. And if you're not following me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that will be linked down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!